In front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer. That would be the quick method of opening IMEI number, and enter code, which is *#06#. Oh, just one asterisk here. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers, which are applied to both of your SIM cards, are included for SIM slots. And then you can also open those numbers through the settings, and you will be able to find their serial number as well. So just click on settings at first, then find and select about phone, and here you'll be able to find status, where IMEI information is located right here. So you've got both IMEI for both slots, and a bit lower you've got serial number of yours. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.